You're watching Winston Jill Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform today. You are in my cooking lab. I will be doing, yes, a jerk turkey. Yes, a mouth-watering, tasty jerk turkey. The first time, yes, I'll be doing a jerk turkey on this channel in my cooking lab on Winston Jill Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. So this turkey right here, I'm going to dissect it up. Yes, I'm going to cut it up in pieces and I'm going to season it up real good. And then I'm going to do it either inside the oven or on top of the stove. But it's going to be jerk turkey when everything is settled down. And it will be the first time that I will be doing a jerk turkey on this channel on the Winston Jill Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. This is going to be a jerk turkey, so I'm going to cut it up in pieces and then season it all up and it will be jerked. You're watching Winston Jill Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube platform. Yes, I'm dissecting up the turkey because I'm going to do a jerk turkey today. You're watching Winston Jill Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. I'm not using the board because the board is going to make too much noise. Yes, so I'm using my skills. Alright, so this will be a jerk turkey today. Yes, I'm not cooking this whole. It's going to be jerked up in parts. And you see this for the first time, like this, on the Winston gel cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Okay, that is it. She's all cut up. Ready for the spices. Yes, ready to receive some nice, delicious, tasty spices on them. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. You are in my cooking lab. I'm going to put some sea salt. Alright, this is sea salt. I'm going to add some sea salt in here. Alright, yes, this is sea salt. Okay. So I'm doing a jerk turkey. Yes, a Jamaican style jerk turkey. Yes, my cooking is influenced by Jamaican style. Alright, this is onion powder. Alright, next I'm going to put my garlic powder. This is called a turkey pan. This particular pan here is called a turkey pan. It is made specifically for cooking turkey. Alright, so I'm going to put my Maggie seasoning in here. Alright, so that is my Maggie. Now I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning as well. It's a mixture of various spices in here. Yes. And I'm going to add some black pepper. And for flavor and taste, I'm going to add some curry in there. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Alright, so now I'm going to mix this batch in first, and then I'm going to add some other seasoning, such as onions and scallions, and a little bit of bell pepper, and a little bit of tomato, and some garlic. The rest I'm going to fry on the stove with some oil, and then I'm going to pour it on top of it, and then I'm going to put this into the oven. So this is a whole turkey, one big whole turkey. The entire turkey is all chopped up in pieces. Yes, chopped up in pieces. Alright, so now I'm going to add some scallion in here. It's called green onions. I'm going to add some in here. And as well, I'm going to add some of this. This is onions, of course. I'll add some. The rest I'm going to fry them up on the stove. Alright, now I'm going to add a few bell peppers in here. There's a few bell peppers. And I'm going to add a few pieces of tomatoes in here. Yes. And a little bit more bell peppers. Most of it will be going in towards the end when this is near cooking. And I'm going to add some fresh garlic. You're watching Winston cooking, and let's go TV on YouTube platform. Alright, so mix it in. Be very careful because they're bones, sharp edge bone from the chopping. Yes, I want to cut my hands. Alright, so now I'm going to put some special jerk season in here. Yes, this is my special jerk season. That's a whole variety of different blends of seasoning blend up together. Right? So this is a true Jamaican jerk I'm doing. Authentic Jamaican jerk. And you're seeing this for the first time on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. I'm going to cut up some thyme. This is thyme leaves. I'll cut up some thyme leaves in there. And also, I'm going to cut up my hot Scotch bonnet pepper in here. Yes. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. Alright. Some more bell peppers in here. Alright, and some more onions go in. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so now this is almost half ready to get to go on the stove into the oven. But before I do that, I'm going to fry up some onions with some garlic and some other seasoning, and then I'm going to pour the oil from the fried up onions onto this, and then I'm going to cover it up and put it inside of the oven. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. You're in my cooking lab today. Alright, I'm going to add some vinegar in here. I'm going to put two medium spoon of vinegar. Alright. Now I'm going to add some brown sugar in here. Now I'm going to add some ketchup in there. I'll put some ketchup in here. So once I put all of this in here now and start cooking, yes, everything will be all right. Alright, so now I'm going to mix this up. Actually, I'm going to use work it into it. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Some oil in here because I'm going to fry up some onions and some other seasoning, and all of this oil is going to be poured onto the jerk turkey that I have seasoned up in a pan. I'm going to put the garlic and the onions, the garlic and ginger together, okay? That is ginger. Yes, that is ginger. Next, I'm going to put my garlic. I'm going to add my tomato, pour the juice off. Some tomatoes in here. Put my onions. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, these onions and tomatoes and garlic and ginger, I am sauteing. These are going inside of the turkey vessel with the turkey, yes. I did it this way so that it will have a different flavor. Yes, with the flavors being cooked from the onions into the meat, it will give it a very beautiful, very, very wonderful taste. Yes, very, very mouth-watering, tantalizing taste in the turkey, the jerk turkey meat. So, yes, letting the flavors of the onions cook out into the oil, and then this oil with the onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger will be poured on top of the jerk turkey meat. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, these onions are almost ready. So I'm going to pour this on top of the jerk meat in the pan that is waiting to receive this. And then I'm going to cover it up and put the entire jerk pan container inside of the oven and allow time and gravity to do the rest of the job on this, jerk turkey. Yes, the most tantalizing, mouth-watering jerk turkey for the very first time on my cooking channel on the YouTube platform. Sure. Alright. I'm going to pour this on top of the meat now. Oh my mia. It smells wonderful. It smells awesome. Alright, so now I'm going to put a little bit more. Masala. Yes, I'm going to cover it up and put it into the oven. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube platform. Alright, so now I'm going to cover it up and it's going into the oven. First time on my cooking channel, I'm doing the Jamaican style jerk turkey. Alright, so I'm going to put the rest of the seasoning. Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Right now, I'm gonna put some potatoes around the perimeter. Yes, those are my Idaho potatoes. A variation in the family of Irish potatoes. This is a different type. These are much more smoother and bigger. Yes. Alright. So now I'm going to put some carrots in here. Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so now I'm just going to cover it back up and put it back in the oven and let the steam on the Alright, so I'm going to put it back in the oven and let it finish cook. Then I'm going to take it out and serve. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. First time on YouTube. It's a jerk turkey as far as I know. Yes. here. Yes, this is turkey. One whole turkey. One whole turkey. Winston gel cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. This is, yes, Jamaican style. It's jerk turkey series on Winston gel cooking 832 on YouTube platform. And Winston gel cooking and Discover TV. Mission accomplished.